Hi guys, welcome to my Scorpius presentation. The first slide is how to find Scorpius. Scorpius faces the south horizon here, a little towards the west, looking for Antares, which is the heart of the scorpion right here. You can find Scorpius around mid-July. I think I did July 14th or 15th, and around 10 p.m. The brightest stars of Scorpius are, of course, Antares, which is the heart. Antares is an alpha Scorpii or core Scorpii, is class M, and a red supergiant known as LC slow irregular variable star. And it will appear red if you look at it closely. The other two stars of importance are at the tail. These will be known for their importance later on. Shala is a lambda Scorpii, which is a triple star system, and a beta Cephei. And Lisath, over here, is an Upsilon Scorpii, a subgiant star belonging to the B24 class. Shala and Lisath are important for locating the M-set 7 right here and M6. M6 is about 1600 light years away, and M7 is about half that far. M6 is known as the Butterfly Cluster, and M7 is known as Ptolemy's Cluster. They are known to be Northern Summer's finest clusters. While these two appear rather close, they aren't. And you can easily locate them at the tail of Scorpius. Messier 4 is a bright globular cluster and is approximately 7,200 light years away. It was discovered in 1746 but was not documented until 1764. The Scorpius mythology. Scorpius was created by the Earth goddess to kill Orion because Orion had intentions of killing all of Earth's creatures. And when she heard about his intentions to destroy the Earth, she sent the scorpion out to kill him. Orion tried to fight the scorpion, but he lost after the scorpion's sting, and that is why the scorpion appears to be chasing after Orion in our night sky. And this here is my works cited page to show where I got all of my information from.